Okay, this week we're going to be looking at hypothesis testing where you are comparing two population means. This is a very common research question. We have these two populations. Population 1 has a mean, population 2 has a mean. We take a sample from population 1, sample from population 2. By looking or comparing the relationship between the sample means, we're going to be trying to then come to a conclusion about the population means. So by looking at the sample means, we'll try to come to a conclusion about the population. Okay, this is going to result in a new sampling distribution. We are going to be taking every possible sample mean from population 1 and subtracting every possible sample mean from population 2. This gives us a sampling distribution for the difference between sample means. Now the central limit theorem also applies here. It basically tells us this new sampling distribution will be a normal distribution. And the mean of this new sampling distribution will be the actual difference between the two population means. For example, let's say the mean of population 1 is actually 10 and the mean of population 2 is actually 8. That means the sampling distribution for the difference between sample means would look like the following. The mean of this sampling distribution would actually be 2, the actual difference between 10 minus 8. What about if the two population means were equal? Mean of population in 1 is 10, the mean population 2 is 10. Well then, the difference between sample means, that sampling distribution, would be 0. So naturally, this hypothesis testing that we are going to be doing, we are always going to start out assuming the population means are equal, and thus gives you a sampling distribution that has 0 here as its mean. Okay, and we're going to use these facts plus what we've learned about the normal distribution to do a new 5-step hypothesis testing procedure.